Now, if you are someone who has made transaction on Jupiter platform or you have staked Jupiter token, I have a good news for you, and that is Jupiter is bringing a new airdrop in the year 2025, which is in January, which is called as Jupuri, which means it's new airdrop which is around the corner. And if you're eligible for free airdrop of JUP token. Now, in this video, I will tell you how you can be eligible and what makes you eligible, and again, what all the steps you need to do to claim this token. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about Jupiter airdrop in the month of January 2025. Now, before I begin, like I always say, please do remember to press subscribe, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and click on link below to join my Telegram group right away. So this is Jupiter token right away. Now, I have a big news to share before I talk about the airdrop, and that is they are burning a supply from 10 billion tokens to 7 billion, which means in January they are burning 3 billion token, which is a good news if you're holding Jupiter token or if you're eligible for Jupiter airdrop. Now, what makes you eligible for the airdrop? Just look at this Twitter trend which is trending right now, and you can see here Jupiter Exchange, the largest decentralized exchange aggregator on Solana blockchain, has announced Jupuri, like I said, Jupuri, a significant airdrop event for January 25. This event will distribute 700 million JUP tokens valued at approximately $580 million to the users, stakers, and contributors. Now, this line is very important: to the users, stakers, and to the contributors only. Eligibility for the airdrop is determined by a snapshot of user activity, which different reward tiers based on trading volume. Users need at least $800 in trading volume to qualify for a minimum of 50 JUP. $800 is nothing for a particular period of time. I think it's for the last year, with higher volume eligible for up to 20,000 JUP token. This is insane. If you traded a lot on this platform, you might be eligible for 20,000 JUP token. Additionally, Jupiter plans to burn 3 billion tokens, like I said, reducing the total supply from 10 to 7 billion. Now, again, this airdrop aims to reward active participants in the Jupiter ecosystem, potentially influencing the token's value and distribution. So clearly, this is going to be a massive opportunity if you are trading on Jupiter Exchange. Now, this is a swap tires. So you can see here 1,000 wallets are eligible for 20,000 tokens, I think, per wallet. 20,000 tokens. So this is massive opportunity, and 1.9 million wallets are eligible for 50 tokens, 50 JUP token per wallet. So again, a lot of people will be eligible if you are trading on this particular exchange. Remember, the minimum criteria is $800 of worth of trading volume. That's about it. And also, if you go through this post by the block.co, you will see the initial criteria as they have mentioned right over here. Again, to reconfirm it, you can see here minimum annual volume of $800 would receive at least 50 tokens, while those with $29,000 or above would receive 250 tokens, among other allocations. So there are 2.3 million eligible wallets. So if you're doing it, you will be eligible by default. Again, if you have not done any transaction, I don't think you will be eligible, but you can see here Jupiter is trading at 84 cents right now and reach an all-time high of $2. It has made people a lot of money back in the days, and in 2025 it is set to make another big airdrop decision which is going to make people rich in 2025. So again, if you're eligible, comment below, tell me your trading volume and what do you think about Jupiter Exchange, and make sure to join my Telegram, subscribe to my channel. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video and new content. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.